Today is July 1st, 2024. And, I wanted to do a review here or something. I love this beautiful day today. It's the type of day you want to get out, you want to go camping, you want to do stuff. And I was looking at REI, so I bought these with my own money. But I wanted to do a little bit of a review, um, just a practicality of these things, I saw the reviews on them, and they didn't have really great reviews. People were complaining about the stickers on them or something. And so I bought them, and I'll show them to you in a second. These are the GSI Outdoors pint glasses. Um, they are what they are. They're a pint glass. They're a pint, and they are a glass. Now, people complain that stickers are very hard to get off of them. And they are in a way. But I'm a child of the 70s and 80s, 1980s. I should clarify that. These are great glass, in my opinion. The stickers were a little difficult to get off. What you have to do is kind of like real slowly pry them off. Watch what you're doing. Make sure none of it is sticking. If it is, just kind of like get something underneath it, peel it off. I got them off about a minute. I took my time. Being the child of the 70s and 80s, I learned how to do that as a kid. We were stickers on everything. They always had stickers on stuff. So I don't see what people are so mad about. They are plastic glass. They're made for being something that's going to get beat around. They're made for something that's outdoors, for God's sakes. Look at the label. It's it's a pint glass. It's not glass. It's a pint plastic glass. You can see how the reflection of it is. I like them. They're triangular at the bottom. There's a nice rubber stopper on them, so they're not going to slide on you. And it's a nice smooth rim on it. So it goes from triangular at the bottom to round at the top. What that means, if you're into like having a highball, you can get your ice in there, and you can stir your drink better, because with a round glass on the bottom, if you're making a mixed drink, the ice seems to swish a little bit. It teams up on you. It kind of like freezes, and you're stuck with that ice in the bottom. But with this, it doesn't do that. You have really nice glass that you can drink out of. And when you put the ice in it, you're going to have something that you don't have in other glasses. I'm going to look inside this glass. I'm going to show you what I mean. So if I have ice or any liquid in this, it's going to be more pourable, okay? When I tilt it, I'm going to tilt it drinking like that. It's going to make it breathe better. And if you have any kind of like drinks, like a mixed drink, whiskey, tequila, anything you're adding, you'll know that that means a lot to let that alcohol breathe a little bit on ice before you do the mixed drink. This works great for that. But they're not made specifically for mixed drinks. They're made for if you're outdoors, if you're camping. GSI has that, I'm going to say mid-grade plastic. I'm not going to say this is high-end stuff. It's something you're going to use, You're going to have your kids out, you're going to have a glass of some drink, Pepsi, Coke, sparkling water, just water, whatever. And it's going to be easy to clean, This is a nice plastic. I like that it doesn't slide. What more can I really say about a cup than that? Not a whole lot more. But the reviews that people really were nitpicky about this, I don't get it. I really don't get it. I like the price I got on them, but I don't like the bad rap that GSI got on these, because they really are a lot better than the cheapo ones that you get for sitting there that nobody ever talks about. There's some thought put into this. There's some innovation. What I like about it, I like all those factors. What I don't like about it is that it's plastic. I'm not fond of a plastic pint glass. I like a glass if I'm going to have a drink and I'm going to put it in the freezer and have a chilled glass, frosted glass. You can't do that with those, but really that's not what they're meant for. So for outdoors, they stack well. You can get 4 of these together and you're only going to have about that much room. So definitely worth the price.